Ladies and gentlemen, we got a Chevrolet 3500 HD here. It is a got a little 10-foot flatbed on it, guys. Vortex gas engine. It is a 2-wheel drive. Got pretty decent tread on the truck. Probably about 60 to 70% on this truck. Got the hitch in the back. Gooseneck in the bed too. Okay, got the toolboxes on the side here. Go ahead and open the doors, let you see the inside. Got a little dent right here, guys. Got a little seat, needs a little bit of repair on this side. Overall, though, that side needs a little repair as well. Got 129 on the miles, 129,000 miles on it, guys. Again, 2-wheel drive. All right. Got the Vortex, probably a 350 in it, or 5.7 liter. Runs good, no blow-by to be found. We pulled the cap off. Look at the photos also. All right, there we go. No exhaust leaks to be heard. Clean oil in the truck too. Again, 129 of the miles. Yeah, 129,000 miles on it, guys. Got the radio, AC, and heat. And they're both working as they're supposed to. Okay. Without further ado, guys, let's get you a quick little operations video of this truck and let you see this thing in action. Looks like it's running 235/80/17s on it, by the way, on the tires. All right, here's a little All right, guys, as you can see, the truck goes forward backwards. Held good transmission line pressure when I held the brakes and put the gas on. Forward and reverse. No blow-by. Started right up. 2-wheel drive. 3500 HD. Not sure you can get better than this, guys. If you're interested in the machine, give us a call. If you got any questions, give us a call. 972-666-9501 or 1-855-EQ-DEALS. Thank you very much.